feel like buzzing the pit wall a little bit, but I better not do, in case we get told off. Catching up on a Supra now. Oh man, this is... I'll try and be quiet for a bit, but it's so good. Now then, YouTube, last year I drove a GR Yaris on track, but I made a right meal of the video. Right, it was shaking all over the shop. I didn't secure the mount properly, weren't really happy with it, and let's just say the opportunity to drive another one has just arisen. We're at Goodwood's, yeah, and this is Matt's GR Yaris. It's a standard car pretty much, right? No? No. Alright, maybe he's messed about with it quite a lot. I thought it was a standard car, but he's messed about with it. He's only just put Nankangs on it because he had the original wheels and tyres on before, but he's got AR-1s, what, 265?
235.
235.
Camber bolt, spec camber on there.
Right.
Some lowering springs just to stiffen it up a touch.
Lowering springs.
Got about another 50 brake.
More 50 horsepowers. So it's got 50 horsepower more than what it should have, right? Anyway, like I said, the opportunity has arisen to drive another one, so we're going to do it again, but we're going to do it properly this time. Only I can't put a proper camera mount in it, so we're going to have to have it on the head one, which will be a bit of a new experience compared to the old video, won't it? So yeah, just work with me on this one. We're going to have another video review driving another GR Yaris, but on a track, a very fast track, right? We were at Anglesey last time, we're at Goodwood today. GR Yaris, we'll talk more about it afterwards, but let's get out on circuit and see what it's like. Now, because the camera is so close to my head, I might be able to do a little talkie-talkie. Oh, it's fast. We've just come out of the pit, so let's try and get these Nankangs up to temperature. Oh, it's fast. Yeah, it's fast. Okay. Bloody hell. So I did drive one of these Yarises at Anglesey, but that was a complete stranger's car and I had to be very careful with it. I was just grateful to even get close to one. Now this car is owned by Matt, who is a long-time friend, at least 10 years. So I think we can give it about as much as he would, which is a lot. Oh, it's not slow. Oh, the brakes are good. Standard brakes, standard pads, Nankangs. Wow, it's fast. God, it's a lot faster than the GT86. Remember what he said the torque split was, because the GR Yaris, the different modes you can put it in, splits the torque differently on the front to back ratio. It can be I don't know, 70-30, 50-50, etc, you know. So the mode that we're in, I don't know what we're in, but it feels good. Fucking grips, man. There's the 86 press car, which I was driving most of this morning. Let's see how much more power the GR has got. I'll give him a bit of a run up. Let's see if we can get by him on the straight. Yeah, we can get by him. I did have to let off a little bit because he fancied the apex, but that's fine. These things happen. I see Matt at the side of the pit wall there, getting me some videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for letting me drive your car as well, because what a car. I said this in my last video, but the hype is real with the Yaris. I don't want to take any liberties here after what happened in the 8.6 earlier. We're still cruising around there in 120-ish mile an hour, maybe a little bit less. Coming up on another Yaris now. Whoa. I've not quite nailed that section before just yet, you might have noticed. Maybe going a bit slow around there, but probably don't need to be down to third here either, but there we go. Has he seen me? Is he going to let me by? He's going to let me by. Excellent. Oh, it's so fast. 130 mile an hour down here easily. Buzzing the pit wall a little bit, but I better not do in case we get told off. Catching up on a Supra now. Oh man, this is... I'll try and be quiet for a bit, but it's so good. 117 through there or so. Yeah, I think I can take a lot more speed through here. Should we try it? A little bit more speed. And there's the Supra. Oh, I'm really braking for the Supra. Fuck yeah, lad. Thanks for getting out of the way. I thought he was going a lot faster than what he was. Keep it in 4th gear around here. I think she's got the torque. Little 1.6 going mad. She's got the torque all day. God, it's fast. It'd be like against my Integra. The dashboard keeps warning me about some stuff, but I don't know what it's warning me about. Down to 4th, we'll keep it in 4th this time, that's all we need. A little bit of understeer there. Get a little bit closer to the pit wall. God, it's fast. Jesus, man. I don't know if it's the 4-wheel drive aspect of it or not. I think it's because the front wheels are getting pulled around, but it's a lot more stable through there than what the GT86 was. And through here as well, it gives you a lot more confidence, but you've got to watch that bump. That bump. This is a crazy braking zone because you're going up and over that crest, and then it tells you to brake way later than what you think you should have to brake. A little bit on the curb there, running wide here. Where's this guy going? He wasn't quite on the racing line there. Fuck. Past the, I think I'm done. I don't want to keep driving. I'm having too much fun. I'm getting carried away. It feels like if I keep on doing that, well, the checker flag's out anyway. That's all right. Oh God. Right, sorry for talking all the way through that. Maybe it made for a little bit of a different video with the head cam. You might not actually be able to hear me that well because the microphone is booming towards the windscreen, so hopefully I didn't totally ruin the video by talking all the way through it, but what a machine. I did exactly what I did when I was at Anglesey as well, and whilst I'm driving I'm pressing all sorts of buttons on this steering wheel. You've got dangerous things on here though, like cruise control, and you know, the buttons aren't the best, but the steering wheel buttons are not the best. But overall, what a machine! It's a fantastic machine, this man. We were on it then for a couple of laps. What, we were on it four laps, 5 laps. What attempt? Not even interested. Just chilling. Oh, that was brilliant. Thanks a lot to Matt for that. What an experience. I know we've done a GR Yaris video before, but the opportunity to drive one again at Goodwood, wow, it deserved its own video. I hope it's been good. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I've really enjoyed making this video. Christ, what a machine.
Faster than a GT86.
It's a bit faster than a GT86. Yeah.
Grips, isn't it?
Man, it's just so fast. It's nuts, isn't it? Like,
for a 1.6.
Well, I got a bit carried away then, but I think you got the gist of the time I was having. Quite similar to the other Yaris that I drove. Just having a real good time, and the hype is real. I said it before and I'll say it again, the hype is real. And I know a lot of these chaps here in the GRs, there's loads of them here today. There's Cam's racing one there, obviously, loads of GRs here. I bet they're all having just a real good time. Now this one's been played about with, you know, it's got the stickier tyres, it's got things done to the exhaust. Matt says it's about 50 brake horsepower more than what a standard one would be, and it's properly fast, but also properly stable. I don't know what springs he's got on it, but I just had a real good time. I remember when I started thinking about doing these review videos, I thought to myself, oh, I wouldn't just be the guy who says everything's good and, you know, all the fields are full of roses and all that stuff, but it's hard to not just enjoy driving a car like this and just have a good time, because that's what happened. And how do I relay that back to the internet in a way that doesn't make it look like I'm just saying everything's right good and all that? Well, if everything is just right good, then there's not a lot I can do, is there? Because, I mean, I'm talking nonsense here, pure patter. I just had a real good time, and I'm grateful to Matt for letting me take the car out. So I hope the video was something like interesting to watch. If nothing else, you got to see me kick a Yaris round Goodwood for a few laps, and I certainly had a good time doing it. So hope you had a good time watching it. What do you think of the GR Yaris? Do you like it? I'm definitely a fan. I've confirmed that now. I thought I was a fan before, but you know, I've sealed it now with approval. Genuine good car, confirmed. Really grateful to Matt for letting me drive it. Thanks to you for watching. Thanks to my Patreons for supporting me on there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Down to 4th. We'll keep it in 4th this time. That's all we need. A little bit of understeer there. Get a little bit closer to the pit wall. God, it's fast. I don't know if it's a 4-wheel drive aspect of it or not. I think it's because the front wheels are getting pulled around, but it's a lot more stable through there than what the GT86 was.